William Ruto chano limbe aluora ma South Nyanza giko dira ni ka obiro dhi e kaunti ma Kisii, Nyamira kod Migori. Jachiw wache lo kar jot mar jatend piny Kenya Hussein Mohamed olero ni chenro ni kare motelo ne limbe Ruto. Kane olose boma ma Kisii, Mohamed olero ni jatend piny Kenya William Ruto biro yango chenro mopogore mag dongruok e aluora mar South Nyanza. Mago ting'o apeyni moko e kaunti ma Nyamira kod Migori, kar tiegruok ma Kisii. Bange to biro yuore nyasi mar rwako pacho jatend migawo mar somo Ezekiel Mashogu. Ruto bende chano romo kod jotelo mopogore limbe no endo.
First, to notify you that President William Ruto will tomorrow, 23rd March 2023, begin a 3-day walking tour of Kisii and Nyamira counties and Kuria East and West constituencies. The President will inspect and commission several projects in line with the government's bottom-up economic transformation agenda. During his tour of the region, the President will launch the upgrading of the 33.3-kilometer Gekano-Rigoma Amaboko Road, the upgrading of the Nyabohanse-Kumumwamu Road, and Nyaburu-Oboke-Ragwe roads. President Ruto will also commission the Kagati Water Project in Kisii, and throughout the tour, the working trip, he will hold several meetings with the people, of course, and the leadership of the region. Let me also take this opportunity to update you on key programs under the government's bottom-up economic transformation plan, which prioritizes, of course, reducing the cost of living, creating jobs, improving our foreign exchange, increasing revenues, and, of course, ensuring inclusive growth.
Haya kwa kanyo to di yo moro machuok